Show everybody what you can play with. Show them your toy. Show them your toy. Build your toy for them. Build your toy for them. Build it now. Sit down and build it. Sit down and build your toy. You try and build it, Liam. You make it. Take out your dummy. Try and build your toy now.
Yeah.
You like playing with these, Liam? You build it now. You sit down and build it. How do you build it, Liam? Do you need help, Liam?
Yeah.
Come on, I'll help you, Liam.
Hopefully.
Right, let's go, Liam. Here. Right, you put them all on it now. The blue goes first. Blue. Look here. We'll try again, Liam. We'll try again, look. What are you doing? Get the blue. Where's the blue? No, right, go here, look. Blue.
Okay, not the base.
Green. Orange. Let's try it again. We have to try it again. Blue. Say blue. Blue. Orange. We need yellow. Now blue. Orange. Orange. Purple. Green. And put the head on him. Did you like that? Did you like that?
Guys,
Ooh, you chasing me with him? Go show us your toy. Come around here and show us. Come around here. What have you got? A giraffe? A giraffe. Do you like giraffes? Liam.
Guys.
Do you like giraffes, Liam? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Where's Patrick? Say bye-bye now.
Bye.
Wait, bye.
Bye.
Good boy.